Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing a human foot. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every week. And if you have any questions, comments, or if you want me to draw something, let me know in the comments below as well. So then let's get started. So there you go. I'm not going to add in a lot of color. I'm just going to leave it with some color but some white. This is the final look. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products from my Redbubble shop, check out the link in the description box below. So then I'm going to put some next videos for you to check out next as well. I did do a foot earlier for Halloween. However, this is a anatomically correct, I would say, a foot that's lifted. So I hope you like it, and if you let me know what you think as well. So don't forget to hit that face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week, and you can also see a playlist here as well. So then I'll see you next time. Bye.